Okay, so this is a dead bird trying to pick up the other dead bird and carry him away or something, apparently. So weird. Didn't know that birds did this. The bird must have flew into the window and like just died. It's like trying to give it CPR or something. I don't know what this bird's doing. Like, is this bird CPR? Dude, this is bird CPR. This is so crazy. I've never seen anything like this in my life. You have humans that won't help another human this much. This bird is relentless with this other bird right now. Like, it's just crazy. He has his mouth on his mouth and giving him CPR. Oh my god, if he gets the other bird awake, I'm gonna shit my pants. He did it. Oh my god, he did it. Oh my god, he got him up. This bird was just laying here forever, just dead. And it just revived the other bird. I am in absolute amazement right now. Oh my god. They did it. They flew away.